Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group will present about improving the Wi-Fi network in UTHM. Before we start, I introduce myself, Muhammad Faris Fazan bin Abdul Jalil, and the method number is DD170059. Another one is Abdul Hafiz bin Abdul Aziz. The method number is DD17007. Another our group member is Muhammad Ashraf bin Zainal. The metric number is DD170058. And the last one is Muhammad Firdaus bin Muslim. The metric number is DD170045.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Hafiz bin Abdul Aziz, DD17007. For the summary of this project, our group are going to do research about the problem in Wi-Fi signal in UTHM, which is a very hot problem among the students now in UTHM. So, firstly, to do the research, our group is going to do according to the procedure that we have made. So, firstly, to do the research, we are going to make a survey and specific interview with the student, and then collect the data. After we get the data, we are going to identify the problem and make some observation to the research we are made. So, actually, this project can give a big benefit to the student, which is can solve the problem their student face now. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Muslim, and my metric number is DD170045. My part is introduction. Actually, we are doing this project. The title of this project is improving the Wi-Fi signal in the campus. Actually, internet is very useful for students in all aspects of their study, and it serves as a guidance or teacher where you can ask anything and it will give you the detailed answer. The internet also is the world of knowledge, where students can get more information and relevant material. Internet also has a big advantage for students where they can get lecture without spending any money and charge. In a campus, actually, they should provide this facility because students can use this opportunity to make easy in their study. The importance of the internet, they do not invent or innovate anything in to find the info, because all they need are in the site. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Zainal. My metric number is DD17058. So I will continue to the background of the project, which Wi-Fi is a common thing that we use as a medium of communication. That Wi-Fi is one of the facilities that are important today. So, for our project is University Tun Hussein on Malaysia has a lot of places, including residential, library and cafe that have Wi-Fi signal. So, what is the problem is? The problem is these places has faced some problem, which is low coverage of Wi-Fi connection, slow internet connection, and limitation of network implementation. So, as we know, Wi-Fi is one of the medium for students to finish their work and do assignment. So, we decided to improve the Wi-Fi signal implementation by doing a research on it. So, the next part is the purpose of the study. So, the purpose of our study is to highlight the problem regarding the signal Wi-Fi and also to survey this satisfaction among students in UTHM. So, all students in UTHM has faced the problem about low coverage of Wi-Fi in every semester. Besides that, this problem affects student activity, which means how they manage to do a assignment, study, and others. So this behavior is very important to find the best solutions on how to improve and to solve this problem. So we have doing a survey using Google Doc as a platform to see the certification of student invitation.
Okay, for this project, for our research, our team, our group hopes the student answer the following question. There are two, which is did our students satisfied with Wi-Fi invitation, and can student help give a suggestion to improve the Wi-Fi problem invitation. For the methodology, our group is use quantitative methods to solve our problem, and our group measure the ranking, categorizing, identifying patterns, generalizing by using Google Form. So we are going to make a survey in Google Form, and we are going to make the student answer the question they are given, and the limit of the student that our group need is actually in 30 students and above. And after we get 30 students and above, we are going to collect the data and make the analysis.
So this is data analysis of our survey from the Google Form. So you can see we take randomly 30 students that live at the residential college at Bistari, Tun Dr. Ismail, Powira, Tun Fatimah, and Tun Said Nasir. So from our survey, we didn't get any data from Tun Said Nasir and Bistari. You can look from here. We just only get Tun Fatimah, Tun Dr. Ismail, and Powira. Okay, so this graph is represent the blue is the weak connectivity of the Wi-Fi signal. For the red is the average connectivity of Wi-Fi signal, and the black one is the strong connectivity of Wi-Fi signal. Okay, so you can look at for the Tun Fatimah. For the Tun Fatimah is the total for the student that we have surveyed is 16 people. So 9 from the 16 people give a negative response that the Wi-Fi signal is currently weak, and another 5 is average, and these 2 of them choose for the strong connectivity of Wi-Fi signal. Okay, for the Tun Dr. Ismail, almost all students didn't have choose for the strong connectivity of Wi-Fi signal. It is because we have total 11 people. So they just take for the weak coverage and the average coverage. They chosen only 2. So you can look for the graph. It's only 45.45% for the weak connectivity, and the average is the difference between the weak and the average is only 1%. So it will be 54.54%. That's 6. Okay, the last one, we didn't get much data from student at Pura, just only 3. So we can look at the result. 2 is negative, the weak connectivity, and 1 is strong. Okay, we can look at. Okay, so for another progress is like we take the survey from the pusat niaga siswa and the library and the faculty, but they didn't respond too much, because from 30 people, only 9 people that respond to the question about the how the connectivity at this tree. Okay. This time, so we didn't get any. We didn't have any. We have incomplete data right now. So you can see it's just 9 people, and for the NS is they choose majority 6 between 9 choose for average Wi-Fi signal, and only 2 for the strong Wi-Fi and 1 for the weak. Only 1 for the weak Wi-Fi connection. It's the same for the survey and library. This is the same data. So last one is faculty. So the faculty is only 1% choose for the weak Wi-Fi signal, and another choose for the average Wi-Fi signal. Solution to improve their Wi-Fi performance is only about 23% from the student that answer the survey we give before. So improve the Wi-Fi signal by upgrading the existing Wi-Fi modem, and then can increase the number of Wi-Fi modem.
Okay, we continue for our second part is the recommendation. Actually, we have 4 recommendation that we list. The first one is locate the best place for modem router. Second one, try to avoid interference. The third one, set a reboot schedule. And the last one, get the new modem. We go to the first point, that is locate the best place for modem. We see in the campus that we have many blind spots, and the best place to locate the modem is the place that has a blind spot, to keep the connection more stronger and better. We must make sure the modem must mount at the center of the blind spot, so that the coverage is more better and wide. The best place to mounting is on the wall, so the level of the frequency that we can get is more better and more stronger. The second one is avoid interference, so that the type of interference is a wall, floor, and so on. And the best idea to get and to read the issue is a mount away from the physical obstacle to get the better connection. The third one is set a reboot schedule. If we set turning off and turning on so often, the performance of the modem and a router become better and maintain the connection. If we don't want to turn it off and turn it on manually, we can set into automatically. Okay. The last point is to get the new modem. We find that modem and router in the campus is used too many years, so that the modem too old to use. We must update the firmware. Actually, the firmware is like a software that is to keep the modem and router updating and more efficiency. Thank you.